Okay? This one. Lagyan ng check ang larawan kung ang bata ay nagpapakita ng mabuting pakikitungo sa kapwa. Lagyan naman ng X kung hindi. This one. Mama and Baba is mad because you're not listening. Is this? And you're making faces. So, is this correct or not?
Not X.
X. How about this? You open the door because Uwa is knocking at the door. So,
Check.
put a check mark. How about this one? You kiss Mama. Check. How about this? You quarrel with baby sister. How about this? You don't listen to what Baba is saying.
No.
And then this one, you give food to the poor children. How about this one? Bilugan ang mukha ng bata batay sa iyong emosyon o reaction sa bawat sitwasyon. So, what will bilugan mukha ng bata batay sa isa yung emosyon. So, what will be your reaction if someone is if you see your friend being what can you say in the what can you see in the picture? Yes, what can you see in the picture? The girls are bullying your friend. So what will be your reaction? You will be what will your reaction? Saan nabala ka? Sad? This one, helping a friend. What will be your reaction? Happy. This one, you're shouting at Mama.
No.
Okay. This one. You saw the old man, his money is, he dropped his money. So, what did the baby girl do? She stepped on it and did not return the money. So, what will be your reaction? This one. How about this one? Sad. Magandang umaga po. The girl is... Ouch! The girl is what? Greeting. Agay! Ginoo ko si Maui.
Bad, Maui. Bad.